I'm meteorologist Tim Armstrong at the National Weather Service in Wilmington, and this is your winter climate outlook across eastern North and South Carolina. Winter is almost upon us, and outlooks from the National Weather Service's Climate Prediction Center suggest the biggest impact here in the Carolinas might be from dry weather. This week's update from the National Drought Monitor shows abnormally dry conditions, or moderate drought, covers portions of North and South Carolina. Below normal rainfall is favored in CPC's winter outlook, mainly due to La Nina, which is expected to continue through this winter season. La Nina is a naturally occurring cooling of tropical East Pacific water temperatures that brings climate impacts around the globe. During the winter, La Nina is associated with below normal rainfall across the southern United States, and this is expected to lead to expanding drought as the winter rolls on. La Nina's influence on local temperatures is usually minor. There are conflicting signals about how warm or cool this winter might be. On one hand, climate change has created a trend of increasing winter temperatures across the Carolinas. In Wilmington, recent winters have averaged about 3 degrees Fahrenheit warmer than they were 50 years ago. But on the other hand, there are some indications that unusual upper-level high pressure near Alaska and easterly stratospheric winds this winter could lead to an increased number of cold Arctic outbreaks across the eastern United States. Which factor ultimately wins can't be known with any certainty yet, but high variability in temperatures is expected. The big snow last winter on January 22nd was the largest snowstorm in Myrtle Beach in 35 years. La Nina isn't typically associated with good snow chances here in the Carolinas. However, if we do see a large number of Arctic air masses reach this far south, there's always a chance that one will arrive at the right time. Climate history shows that about 2/3 of all snowstorms in Wilmington's history have occurred in January or February. And lastly, the highest astronomical tides of the season should occur in the days surrounding a full moon on December 4th. Minor coastal flooding may be able to develop during this period, even without a storm system in the area. Astronomical tides associated with full moons and new moons for the remainder of the winter should pose little risk for flooding unless strong onshore winds or a nor'easter are present. More details on this winter's climate outlook are available on our webpage at weather.gov/ILM. Now check out some local climate statistics for the area.